Hiya! It's Wednesday and I had a course day today. We made some goat's milk in school and learnt all about the hygiene process of making cheese and all about cleaning the machines and everything. Yeah, it was pretty interesting. But now I'm walking home and I gotta be honest with you, we've been busy. Not only did we carry on working on Pura Vida,
Microbiome. Oh, what have you done to me? We're all entangled together in one living community. Microbiome.
we also had the first nights. We spent the first nights in Pura Vida. Well, I did with Michi and Patrick. Patrick from Seelerhof, a friend of ours, who's got a farm in Interlaken. We've been there a couple of times. And this weekend, I went down Friday. We planted 150 trees.
You're a key to my survival. From the deep dark of my insides to my ocean of saliva.
At his place, the bushes and shrubs. And then we came to mine on Sunday with another 200 trees and bushes and shrubs because we got a really good offer. 350 trees for next to nothing. So we've planted them 2 days, last 2 days. Oh, we've been busy.
Oh, microorganisms all over my system. I've got a suspicion that we're one and the same. Oh, microbiome. What have you done to me?
And you know how I had the problem with the water? Well, my electricity was working well. Then the water, we started using the washing machine. And then the tap in the kitchen broke, so I had to change that. And then just before I went on Friday, my lithium battery exploded. Look at that. So I had to put on my old car batteries back on. It's been one of those weeks again. But you know what? I'm really proud of myself because I took it on the chin and just carried on and sorted out the problem. Yeah, we're getting stronger, we're getting better. We're getting there. But yeah, what other news have I got to tell you? Yeah, the goats and the animals are all great. We've got a new chicken, a new rooster, Heino and Stephanie. Oh, I showed you them last time, didn't I? And this Friday, we've got our first market stall. We're going to be on the market in Visp every Friday afternoon from 4 till 7, in summer till 8. Yeah, got a market stall. This is where we're going to be. And then from Friday, we'll be there. You'll find us there. So if you want to get any soaps, books, solar truckness, nuts, lots of different things, syrups. Not all stuff that we produce, but we've decided we're going to do a permaculture store. So we promote permaculture and promote products from people from all around Switzerland. So and spreading the word of permaculture kind of thing.
Microbiome. This might sound kind of insane. Yeah, well, maybe I'm crazy. But it's like you're some kind of giant brain. Oh, microbiome. I don't know if we're 1 or 100 trillion and 2.
While having Michi and Patrick here with me, we got a load of other things done, like cuts down some trees.
'Cause you just make up my whole world. So I gotta be good to you. Microorganisms all over my skin.
Put out some logs for the pigsty, because when you've got people, you need to get the stuff done. We got rid of a load of rubbish, which we flew up with the helicopter and then took to the dump yesterday, Glad and I. We moved some big heavy stoves out at Pura Vida. Yeah, it was really, really good having Michi and Patrick with us for 2 days up at Drieschta. Not only is it nice having friends around and having a good drink at night and a laugh, but it also does feel so good having a bit of help and you just get a lot more done when there's more of you. You're a lot more motivated. It's easier. 6 hands work so much more efficiently than just mine. So yeah, that was great. Thanks Michi, thanks Patrick for coming round for those 2 days. It's great having you anytime, even if it's just for a holiday. Just got home from school and look, as you can see, we're down 1 chicken because the Milan, I'm not sure what it's called in English, the Milan, a kind of eagle, buzzard, decided to eat Stephanie, one of the new girls. So long, Stephanie. C'est la vie, eh? The birds have got to eat as well, but made a bit of a mess.
We're one and the same. Yeah, we're one and the same. We're one and the same.
Well, anyway, that's my update for this week. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and yeah, see you again in 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later. Bye bye.
We're one and the same.